Alright, so today I'm going to be putting luxury vinyl flooring in this main room in the basement. I painted the ceilings like a flat black, added some new lights. So it's a nice huge room, probably about 600 square feet. So this is all going to be the luxury vinyl flooring. I already painted the doors, the windows, the doors and the trim, and put new drywall up, trim on the walls, stuccoed and painted everything. So it's gonna look good when we're done. Okay, so we got the vinyl flooring all done in the basement. Took us probably about 5 to 6 hours, which is not bad at all. And it looks a great deal better. So this will be like an awesome downstairs rec room or living room, or even like a living room / home theater. Got like the 3 white finished doors there, lead to different rooms. This room is probably 600 to 700 square feet. So it's a really good size open room, even if somebody has kids, just to make it a giant playroom or something.